as I said, there are different types of distributions. Now you can categorize them as retail distribution, wholesale distribution, distribution or social media, distribution or internet, distribution through direct sales, distribution by using your door-to-door sales, and distribution with the help of multi-channels. More than one channel you can make use it of. Okay, can you tell me one example for retail distribution? One example for retail distribution. Hello? Give me one example for retail distribution. Give me one example for retail distribution outlet. An example? Anybody? Retail sales outlet, retail distribution outlet. You don't know about retail sales outlet. What does your What about these malls? Shopping malls are all about. They're all retail outlets. Okay. Yeah, footwears.
Clothing.
Clothing. Next, textiles. Textiles is a retail outlet. You are not going to purchase the things in huge quantities. How much ever you need, you purchase. Okay, maybe in say a single unit or 100 units or whatever, maybe according to a requirement, based on what is called as your per unit price, per unit charges. Okay, are going to purchase, not in huge quantity. Okay, if you go to more, okay, you are not going to purchase 100 quintals of rice. Maximum you may purchase 25 kgs one bag, or maybe 5 kgs. Okay, you are if you say sugar, okay, you are not going to purchase it for purchase for 50 kgs or 100 kgs. Maximum you may go for 3 kgs or 2 kgs if it's a nucleus family. Okay, maybe some 2 or 3 kgs per month, that's enough for you. Like that, you decide your consumption based on the pattern of your consumption. Please try to get my point. Based on the pattern consumption, okay, people are going to design the marketing strategies. This is called as retail customers. Understanding the retail requirements of the consumption. If you say your what is called as shampoos and all, okay, we have sachets, very small sachets in grams. That's a retail business. Best example. Say you are a bachelor. Okay, you are alone living, only one single one, and you don't require much of such things, and definitely go for such sachets. It's all based on your consumption pattern. What is called as consumption pattern. Basically, consumer requirements. Consumer requirements and its consumption pattern and its consumption trend. Consumption. Sorry, there is some spelling error. consumption trend. Based on that, if you design your marketing strategy or distribution strategy, you can call it as a retailing business. As people, as you all mentioned, footwear, okay, clothing, textile, consumer durables, electronic stores, they all come under this. Then no wholesale. Wholesale distribution. An example for wholesale distribution. Hello? Retail ಮತ್ತೆ wholesale difference ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
So wholesale price ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Because you purchase in lot quantity. ಅಲ್ವಾ? RMC ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ okay, wholesale means it is you purchase in large quantities. You purchase in large quantities. Okay, your now wholesale distribution, best example here is RMC. RMC market. Anybody visited this RMC market? Near this Bandipalya, Mysore, or near Vidyavardhaka College, Banimantap? Online Amazon store. Amazon online, so whether it is online retail or wholesale. Surabhi, Amazon online store, whether it is retail or wholesale. Hello, Surabhi, it's both. Okay, both may not be suitable well, but it is generally it's a retail one. Both may be partially right, partially wrong. Cannot be accepted with full confidence. I can say, I can go with Ananya. Okay, this Amazon online store is a retail one. Amazon online store is a retail one. I'll give you one example for this one. Maybe before this lockdown period, okay, we have got the requirement for this washing machine cleaning powder. There comes a cleaning powder. It is supplied in 200 grams, 250 grams, like that. And then we went to a retail shop and asked, it was not available. And one of my friend told that, okay, go to the one shop there that is there in RMC market. Okay, they have all this kind of quantities, so just go on there and inquire. Okay, then there these people, the people there in RMC, they said that, sir, ondondu eradu kodalla. Okay, bekara you can purchase in a big basket. There is a whole packet there, and that particular packet contains 100 of such sachets. Each packet contains 250 grams. ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್ಗೆ ಆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ another 3 to 4 months ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. I said no, not required. Then my son said, okay, appa, you can get it in Amazon online and we can order it. And we have just ordered only for 2 of such, 250 grams. Okay, 2 of such. That's it. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ somewhere around 180 rupees ಏನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Like that. So Surabhi, you may not be right. Okay, if you have any examples of wholesale business doing online, okay, you can share with us. But this is what my example is. They don't go for this wholesale, and people don't prefer also. And I don't know whether these RMs people are going for a wholesale purchase by using Amazon or Amazon online stores or not. I'm not sure about. And in that case, okay, you are right. But generally, if you say consumers, generally the end users, I'm not speaking about B2B. Business to business. This wholesale is, we call it as business to business. And there is something called B2C. Business to consumers and end users. And what I am telling about this retail is about end users, customers, and this wholesale is B2B. Wholesale, they'll get this to retailers, and from retailers that reaches to customers. Okay. Okay, then Surabhi is right. Good. Okay. Yeah, things are clarified. Okay, you can go for both. Then it is retail as well as for wholesale. Yeah, it's clear now. Amazon is open for both. Very good. Good participation. Good participation. Very good. And next, internet. You all know about the social media marketing, internet marketing, direct sales. Okay, and door to door, direct sales and door to door almost same. And multi-channel, opting for more than one. Okay, like this, this pizza. Okay, they are ready to supply door to door, and even you can go there to the pizza shops. Okay, you can order for one. Okay, you sit there and enjoy. You can come, and even you can order through what is called as this online Swiggy and other kind of such applications, Zomato and all. Okay, there is what is called as the food retail outlets, and these people are following multi-channel distribution strategy. Okay, it's left to you what type of distribution channel, the distribution strategy that you're following. Yeah, please answer these questions. Before, I'm not going to answer these questions directly. Okay, you should answer the questions one by one, or at least clues about this. Okay, where do your clients look for your service or product? Whether in the wholesale place or retail place or online. Okay, where exactly you find it? Okay, you need to answer this. Based on that, you can decide whether it is a retail or online or wholesale. What kind of stores do potential clients go to? What kind of stores? Today, everything is going to be virtual. Today, everything is going to be virtual. And in that case, okay, is online marketing, digital marketing, internet marketing. Okay, they're all gaining importance. Do they shop in a mall, in a regular brick and mortar store, or in a supermarket, or online? Where do they do that? Okay, whether it's a mall, whether it's a small shop, okay, whether it's supermarket. Okay, and how do you access the different distribution channels? What is the means? Okay, how do you attract the customers? Whether it is to celebrities, whether to advertisements, whether to it is through your display boards, brochures. Okay, what is the means of attracting customers? Next, do you need a strong sales force? Okay, sales executive, sales people, sales individuals. Okay, do you need so much of sales force? No, why Amazon and these people, they got a what is called as a very marginal price, means very less price, and because they have a very minimum sales force. Just book online, get it online, and only pay this what is called as service charges, and that too if you go for this Amazon Prime membership and all. Okay, you need not to pay for okay this processing or what is called as courier charges and all. Okay, that's the reason why okay they have such a competitive pricing. Do we need a strong sales force? And if to quote one example, you know about this Eureka Forbes. Eureka Forbes, you know what is this? Eureka Forbes. Hello? You know about this? What is this? Can anybody tell me? Water filters. AquaGuard parent company. Yeah, water filters. Once upon a time, and even recently also, people used to visit the places door to door. Okay, with lot of sales individuals and asking for the requirement. ನೀವು Eureka water filter use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, Eureka Forbes cleaning ಅದು ಇದು ಬೇಕಾ, okay, like that. And ultimately, okay, today they're not very much well present in the market today. What's the market condition of this okay Eureka Forbes today? Anybody, any idea how strongly they present themselves? One second. How strongly they present themselves in the market? 1 second, man. Okay. Yeah, what's the present market condition of this water AquaGuard, Eureka Forbes? Any idea? They do this business with the help of lot of sales force, salesmen. Any idea? If you don't have any idea at present, at least in the next class, get the details, the present market position, market condition of Eureka Forbes and present it. Who will take the chance? Hello? Anybody ready to present okay, yeah, write up on the market condition of Eureka Forbes? Hello? Ananya, can you do that? Abhishek? Market condition of Eureka Forbes for 5 minutes. Who is ready? Surabhi? Ashwal? Edwin, Dinakar, Dhruv, Likin, Nikita, Prajwal. The present market condition of Eureka Forbes. Nobody is ready. Hello? Please answer, say. Yeah. Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are going to present it, Alva?
Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. It is the leader in the cleaner category, and Rakshit MR is telling, and Ananya is accepted. And you can prepare, you can take some, okay, 4-5 days time and rate it up, okay, in 1 or 2 pages and present it as Rishabh did in the last class. The present market condition of Eureka Forbes. This could be this is your title. The present market condition, the present market condition or status. 1 second, Surabhi, I'll come back to you. Status of Eureka Forbes. Yeah. Surabhi and Ananya both will be presenting, and let me check it. Is there any difference? Okay, let
Sir,
me
no,
check. Yeah,
do
tell
then.
me. Huh?
Better do, sir. Let Surabhi do. I'll do the next topic, sir.
Why you are going back? Both of you can present it, no problem. Let me check. Okay, both have the same kind of details, or okay, is there any difference? Okay, we'll get more consistent solution. You do. Don't worry. Okay. 5 minutes, both of you can share. 5 minutes to Ananya, 5 minutes to Surabhi. Next class. Next Thursday. Okay. Ananya? Hello?
Do on a different topic, sir. Let her do this.
It's okay. Surabhi, you are ready? Hello? Surabhi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next Thursday, you are going to present on the topic market status or market condition of Brachiophobes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good then. I'll continue with the next slide. Probably tomorrow I may go on leave. I'll let you know by this evening. And the next 2 days I may not be engaged in the class, today and tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow and day after, Saturday and Sunday. This is the next P, promotion. Who is more interested to know about this advertising strategies? Advertising. Whose favorite concept is this? Whose favorite topic is this? Advertising. Anybody in the group who want to pursue the career in advertising? Abhishek are interesting. Okay, I'll give you a topic on advertising. Okay, Rishabh is also telling. Okay, advertising is okay, it's interesting because it's more creative. Okay, people will not accept if you go on a very traditional style of approach. You need to have something different. Okay, what type of strategies that you follow, and Ananya is also interested. Okay, I'll give you some different topics of advertising. Okay, please. Okay, we will wait for maybe another 2 or 3 days. In the next class, I'll tell you. Okay, once I complete this promotion mix. Okay, promotion. Okay, for Abhishek, Rishabh, and Ananya, you will get 3 different topics on advertising itself. Advertising is a kind of ocean. Okay, it is full of diversity. Even I like advertising. It is full of diversity. Whether people may agree or disagree, but you have to sharpen yourself with your creativity, and so that you are going to reach the customers at large quantities. Reach should be maximum. Then how will you do that? Okay, it is through your creativity and advertisements. And we have different products. Okay, we have different companies. Okay, having such promotion strategies. Okay, the best examples are Procter & Gamble, Hindustan Unilever. Okay, your mobile phone companies, consumer electronics, and other kind of things. Okay, textile, jewelry. Okay, and there are so many other people. There are so many other industries. Okay, who are there in this advertisement area, following advertisement strategies. Okay. Promotion is a very important component of marketing, as it can boost brand recognition and sales. Here they say that Here, promotion and branding, they are related. Branding, promotion and branding strategy. Promotion and branding are related. Can anybody tell me what do you understand by the term called as brand? Okay, then I go for discussing with you what is called as promotion. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by a brand? What do you mean by a brand? Is there any general understanding about the brand? Common understanding about the brand? Okay, continue. It's a name. Agreed. Yes. There are different versions. I need at least some 5 or 6. Anilan says,
Creativity, sir.
Hello.
Creativity.
Brand also projects your creativity. Who is this?
Surabhi, sir.
Surabhi. Put it in the chat box. Brand also shows the quality of the goods. Brand is a name. Brand is quality. Brand is creativity. Surabhi, put it in the chat box. Okay, shall I put it? If not possible, according, okay, to Surabhi, brand is creativity. Brand means that is your creative ability. That's your creativity. How creative you are, okay, in projecting yourself, in positioning yourself, strengthening your presence. Yeah, next, he says trademark. Okay, there are some differences between brands and trademark. Okay, let us not mix up these things. Okay, I will discuss the brand, trademark, goodwill, okay, your logos, all these things sometime later. Okay, let us not complicate. Okay, I want to know in general sense. Okay, brand is a trademark. You can take in general sense. I can take it, but if you go in depth, if you probe it further, your brand, your goodwill, okay, your royalty and all, these are all okay. Some what is called as patent, logos. Yeah, it is the identity of a particular goods or services. Recognition. Brand is recognition. Brand is nothing but recognition. Anything else? Anybody is telling their brand is also status and reputation? Brand is status.
Yes, sir, it depends on how the company goes on, sir. Brand.
Brand is also status, reputation. Goodwill.
Sir, to identify easily, sir. Brand.
Yeah. As soon as you get at the logo, as soon as you get at the symbol, as soon as you heard the product, okay, you remember so many of its features, so many of its benefits, like product manufactured by a particular company under a particular name. Okay, that's fine. Then how will you achieve all these things? Brand means it is not a single simple word. Now, what is that your understanding? What is our common understanding now? Our common understanding or common understanding one second. Our common understanding is that brand is something, one second. Brand is something multi-dimensional. Something multi-dimensional. Diverse. So that you increase, so that you strengthen, your presence in the market. You should make some sound, right? People should come to know who are you, what are you doing, okay, why are you there in the market? People, consumers should come to know. There are several ways of doing this. Sensitization, market sensitization, customer sensitization. How will you do that? Whether if you say customer sensitization, one second. Okay, this S and Z, this is a problem with our English and their English. Customer sensitization, market sensitization. How will you do this? How will you achieve? What's the source of doing all these things? You need to build your brand, you need to show your presence, and you need to have a better recognition, better reputation, better status. You need to reach the market, you need to reach the people, and you need to have your better position. And there are several ways of building your business. Now, building your business, building your market, building your reputation, to build yourself. To build yourself. Okay, as a business leader, you have to do many of such innovative exercises. Understood? Yes. And the complete answer, the one word answer for this, how will you do that? If you say it is through promotion. It is your promotion strategy. Now, what kind of promotion that you follow? How are you going to build your brand? How are you going to build a reputation? How will you sensitize your market? How will you sensitize your service? How will you sensitize your presence? Which approach that you are going to follow? It is through advertising, public relations, sales promotion, doing some sales, organizing what is called as these exhibitions. What do you do? How will you do that? Again, the question mark, and you need to answer this. Through such efforts, okay, not sure about whether all your advertising strategies are going to give you the result. As I said, there are so many celebrity endorsements, celebrity advertisements, and I am not sure about all the celebrity endorsements are going to lead to revenue generation. Maybe yes, maybe no. It all depends. How many of us are very much sensitive to the celebrity endorsements? Advertisements through some of such reputed people. Advertisements through emotions. Advertisements through some of your reality checks, fact checks. Arranging user awareness programs. Exhibitions. Promotion strategies and like that. And it all depends. Promotion means to promote, to go through, to go ahead. There are something like special offers, advertisements, celebrity endorsements, user trials, posters, brochures, leaflets, free gifts, competitions, and also joint ventures. And also joint ventures, collaborations. If you want to build your name, okay, you can combine, or you can have some kind of synergetic combinations. Earlier, 1980s, when Maruti started, okay, it was not very much known to people. Now, one CEO by name Bhargav, he just proposed that, okay, we can have collaborations with Suzuki, Japanese company, Japanese automobile leader, Maruti and Suzuki. Today, it is known as Maruti Suzuki. Of course, okay, the paid promotion. Of course, yeah. If you look at the television channels, okay, after 12 o'clock, every day after afternoon until 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you get all paid promotion programs. There are some Ayurvedic products. There are some energy related issues and all. Okay, some people come and speak. They're all, okay, paid promotions only. Okay, simply one film actor without no reason, he come and endorse a product. No way. Yeah, you have to pay him, bring him to the channel and bring him onto the screen, and then ask him to, okay, speak a few favorable words about your product, and then people agree. Oh, this particular man is telling paid promotions. Kalyan Jewelers and Shivraj Kumar. Kalyan Jewelers and Shivraj Kumar. He is an ambassador there. Yeah. It all depends on your, what is called as societal value, social presence. That is what is called as personality, celebrity value. Okay, if you earn such kind of celebrity value, automatically you'll get the name and fame. Automatically you'll get the name and fame, provided you earn this societal value, a kind of societal name, recognition, and immediate day, okay, just day in and day out, within a day or so, okay, you become what is called as you will be earning the demand for your signatures. Puma, Virat shoes, Virat Kohli. Yeah, there are so many of such people, celebrities. Okay, giant ventures, I said Maruti and Suzuki. And recently, very latest news I read in the news that the Mica College and MIT institution, okay, they are going for collaboration, because under new education policy, okay, you can have your interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary courses can be run. Management and engineering can be combined. BCom and engineering can be combined. Okay, there are several institutions running, okay, offering the courses what is called engineering and commerce together combined. And this MICA people and MIT, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, they're going to have this joint venture collaborations. They may design the programs, courses, both the management and technology combined together. Because okay, yesterday I was addressing one of your friend, maybe the second or the final year. Okay, he is very much interested in something to learn more about logistics and supply chain, and to be very good in logistics and supply chain. As an expert, you should also know about coding, programming, Python, and just one single MBA is not enough. Then you need to learn about coding, Python, logistics, and all. And therefore, what is the better combination of study? And I was just guiding him. Okay, you need to pursue some of such course. Likewise, okay, better example for promoting, getting the name. Okay, if they go on promoting and putting some of the visuals and newspaper advertisements and and the endorsements and offers, advertising and all. Okay, this joint venture may be very much create public awareness. Okay, even we can think of entering into some of the joint ventures if the higher authorities are willing to. It's about building name, building brand, building Mahajanas as a brand. Building Mahajanas as a brand. Okay, it is possible, provided you have some of such very much specialized what is called as promotional strategies with the help of some of the branding experts. Yeah. My research, my PhD is on branding strategies, building branding, building business and brands together. That's what my specialized area of research. I know a bit about this. Okay, not to speak more about giant ventures and all. I'm just continuing with this. Now questions to answer. Okay, look at these questions. Okay, it's 10 o'clock 15 minutes and I have one more class immediately after this. I'm closing. Okay, just look at the questions and okay, we'll discuss this sometime later. And any questions that I can take, I have to download your attendance and save it. Hello?
No, sir.
I'm saving this record and you can listen to me